The minimum IRS mileage rate drivers can use to deduct from income tax is 70 cents per mile for 2025, since that's what the IRS calculated for the standard minimum cost of expenses and depreciation. The IRS does not consider you to be profitable or taxable if you're making near or less than the rate, which is a sign of misclassification or tax evasion fraud. Gross minus cost equals taxable net. Taxable net minus tax equals profit. Since 70 cents per mile gross subtracts 70 cents per mile cost produces no profit according to the IRS, there's no tax, which is why it's a red flag for tax evasion fraud or company misclassification to avoid paying wages, taxes, and benefits. $1 per mile minus 70 cents per mile equals 30 cents per mile taxable net. 60 miles per hour is 1 minute per 1 mile, so that's 30 cents per minute or $18 per hour. 30 miles per hour is 2 minutes per mile at 15 cents per mile or $9 per hour. 20 miles per hour is 3 minutes per mile at 10 cents per minute or $6 per hour. Evidently, $1 per mile between 20 to 60 miles per hour equates to $6 to $18 per hour, respectively, pre-income tax. The $7.25 an hour federal minimum wage is 12.08 cents per minute. Paying less than federal or local minimum wage in overtime is wage theft and misclassification according to the Department of Labor with financial and prison penalties. Drivers can visit the IRS website or refer to a 2025 federal tax bracket to estimate how much to pay quarterly based on earnings and costs. And don't forget about your state if it charges income tax. Also subtract at least 7.65% of your net income going to self-employment tax for Social Security and Medicare. A lot of drivers are not aware of these facts. And while many drivers claim that $1 per mile or less is acceptable, we can see it's clearly not. We can't reach all drivers to teach them, nor does everyone agree with the facts. And that's why we will have our own app with fair guarantees based on inflation and the standard IRS mileage rate to set the minimum bar for drivers who otherwise lower the pay for all drivers by accepting most or all the low offers on the other apps.